Have you ever wondered why teachers emphasize taking notes during lectures or while studying? In this video, we'll explore why note-taking is essential for learning, retaining information, and improving focus. Note-taking is the practice of recording information from different sources and platforms. By taking notes, writers record the essence of the information, freeing their mind from having to recall everything. It is a fundamental skill that plays a critical role in learning, retaining information, and improving focus, and helps to actively engage with the material, reinforcing understanding and creating a personalized record for future review. Writing things down helps your brain remember the material better, whether you're jotting notes by hand or typing them. The act of writing engages your mind more than just listening or reading. This extra effort strengthens your understanding and makes it easier to remember important points later. Taking notes helps you stay focused during classes or meetings by making you actively pay attention. It allows you to pick out the main ideas, ignore unnecessary details, and stay present. Instead of just listening, you are processing and breaking down the information in real time, which makes learning more interactive and effective.
Well-structured notes act like a roadmap when it's time to study. Using headings, highlights, or color coding makes it simple to find key details quickly. This organization helps you review more efficiently and ensures you can easily locate important information when you need it. Taking notes helps you grasp things better, especially when you summarize, reword, or highlight key ideas. By breaking the information into simpler parts, you train your brain to think critically and make it easier to tackle more complex topics later on. Boosting creativity through note-taking can really transform your ideas. Instead of just bullet points, try using diagrams or doodles. For example, a mind map can help you visually connect concepts and discover relationships you might miss otherwise. It makes brainstorming feel more engaging and can turn studying into a fun, creative process. So, the next time you're tackling a big idea, grab some colorful pens and let your imagination flow. Neatly organized notes can make a world of difference. Whether you use bullet points, outlines, or tables, having a systematic approach enhances clarity and makes information easier to digest. When your notes are tidy, it reduces cognitive load, so you can quickly scan or summarize what you need. This not only helps with recalling information, but also improves your time management while studying or working. It's all about working smarter, not harder.
Regular note taking can really boost personal accountability. When you constantly jot down your thoughts and insights, it helps you track your process and see where you stand. This habit encourages you to monitor your understanding and pinpoint any gaps in your knowledge. As a result, you become more proactive in your study habits or work practice, leading to better outcomes. It's a simple yet powerful way to take charge of your learning and growth. Organizing your ideas through note taking can really enhance your problem solving skills. When your thoughts are clearly laid out, it becomes much easier to tackle complex issues step by step. Plus, having a record of previous notes allows you to revisit concepts and build on your understanding. This solid foundation makes it much simpler to approach difficult questions with confidence. It's all about creating a roadmap that guides you through the challenges. Effective note taking really helps develop your analytical thinking. When you condense and synthesize information, you are not just passively absorbing it, you are actively engaging with the material. This practice encourages reflection and improves your ability to critically assess what you have learned, helping you draw out key insights. It's a powerful way to deepen your understanding and sharpen your critical thinking skills.